Hi greetings, welcome to this video. I'll be doing page 139 with you, and I'm just going to get started with it. I'm going to start by getting my vanishing point by just projecting the SP up to the horizon line. Outline it and label it VP. Once that is done, I'm going to take this drawing and move it to be in line with the top view. So first, since this piece is this one here, this one is this, and then this little bit here is this one. So this piece here, it's touching the picture plane directly. All the 2 points are on it. So this one, I'm going to draw it exactly as it is here. So I'm going to start with the walls. And then I'll bring the middle piece as well, which is for the roof. So once I have everything, I'm going to outline it as it is. Then the door as well. Then project the hub. So just outline the door. So now this piece, as we've drawn it as it is, now these ones, we're going to make sure that we draw them in construction because they are not touching the picture plane. That means we have to move them back a little. So I'm just checking if that color is fine. Please remember this is construction. I'm just trying to make it easier for you to understand. Since I'm using a different color, when you draw, strictly use a pencil. Then I'm going to get my window. Which is the same size. It's not the same size as the door. So if we project the lines down for the window, that's up there. So this part is this one here, and this one, I will draw on the other side. So I'm projecting the roof there and bring it straight down. So there's my wall. And I tried to use a different color here. So this is my roof. Where does it end? I need to bring the line where the roof ends. And here. So my roof starts here, or ends, starts here, and it ends here. So let me try and draw that. So there's my line, and then for my window, and door, my two doors here, cross. Then let's see that this is the size. To the another door, another one here. There. And then we can now finish off with this window that's here. And if you're unsure of which one of these is there, you can literally just take your ruler, go there, then go there and see if the distance matches up, because obviously it's confusing since it's just one rectangle and then with pieces of lines there. Then let me just not forget to draw this one, but it will be in construction here. It will be in construction because it's not directly there. So I'm just going to leave it in construction. There. So now we have drawn what we are given. Remember, all these colors are in construction and I'm just using them for explanation purposes because there will be too many lines and it might not be easy for you to follow when I'm explaining. But when you draw, please use construction lines. Thank you. We're now going to start with finishing off this piece by taking our roof point to the vanishing point. So basically 1, 2, 3. This one is at the back, so it's not visible. So we're going to start with the wall. Okay. Then we want to get our roof lines. So the middle one, which is this back part, we need to take it to the SP. So you already know that I align it. And then stop at the picture plane, same as this one. Align. Stop at the picture plane. Then I'm going to bring those points straight down. And this one is for the roof. So my roof will be here. I'll have a point there. And then for this one is for both the roof and the wall. So this is where my roof will end and that's where my wall will end. So there, then these points, you can now join them. There. Then I'm just going to finish off the roof. I'm not a fan of outlining the wall unless I'm 100% sure that that's where it ends. But from the way this drawing looks, let's see, the wall will be turning. So definitely this part will show. So I can outline and finish the wall. Once the wall is finished, we can draw our window, which is this one here. That's now in hidden detail. So the 2 points which are here, we're going to align them, take them to SP. And then we're going to take these 2 to the vanishing point. Then where these ones touch them, you're going to have a window on that wall. So that is your window. In order for you to show the depth of it, you need this line in line with the SP. Straight down. Then you're going to take this one inside, straight to the SP. Where they intersect, you're going to have a line, and then you can just show the depth of the window. The same thing with the door. You take that to SP, align it. Then once you are sure it's touching the picture.
Getting directions to Cards SP.
Wait, what? Oh, never mind. Press my phone by mistake. So that's how your line is going to be. Then you take this corner to the vanishing point. You really don't need to take the whole way, especially with the amount of lines that are already here. And that is how deep, or that's you showing the depth of the door. Now to the next step, we're going to draw this piece here at the back. We're going to now bring these two, align with SP, then bring down. Okay, that one is already aligned. So I'm going to take this point straight down. So once it's there, we need these points. So I'm going to start with this one, take it to the VP where it meets with this line. I'm going to have a point. So they meet here. Then on the other side, this one here to the VP where they meet with this one. Where do they meet? Let me see. The point will be there. Once I have that, then I can also get this one here, and then where it meets with this one, I'm going to have a point. Then I will then join my points to form that fact. So I have this point going there. Let me zoom in. So I have this one, it needs to meet with there and then there. And then, so that's this side. That's where they meet. And then this one I can just take straight down as it is here as well as here, because there's nothing in the way of it. So I can do that. In this one, because we have this drawing, we can't really conclude that it's just going straight down here. Still need to figure out exactly to which point. So we're just going to draw this window. So this window, we have these two lines. So we're going to align them with the SP. SP. So I had, not sure why. Let me just redraw it again. So they are in line with the SP here. Then we need to take 1, 2, 3 to the vanishing point. So I'm going to start with this one. So there's my lines there. So I've projected this one in this one. Now let's bring these two as well. So we are focused on 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we bring this point down, it needs to meet with the bottom part, and then the other side will meet here. So stopping here, then taking it to this one here. Stopping it here. And then also for the top part, the as well as the so it should form a straight line, because remember these two, you have to make a point on this line. So you can see that's exactly what I did. And in these two, which is these ones, you have to make a point on this line. So we have our window. The depth of it also needs to be brought to the SP. Bring it down. And you see where it's touching that line. Where it's touching this line. For the depth, you're going to project to take it to here. Then you will join the 2 points inside to form the depth. And that's how it looks. So we'll leave that part there for now. Now let's focus on drawing the third part of this building, which has the garage doors, I think, and this window there. So we're going to do that piece on this side. So from the given drawing, you see that this where this wall ends, it turns to where these garages, the garage doors are going to be. So I will just extend that point. Then I'm going to start bringing down my garage, these points, my garage point, this one, this one. I'm going to bring those garage points to the SP when done. Once they are there, I'm going to now project them straight down to this line. So I'm going to start with this one. So those are the points for the garage. So you have one here, there, there, and there. Then for the height of the doors, I'm just going to use one side because they are the same height. So this point, I'm going to take it across to the VP. And then where it touches this line, I have to trace it very carefully. I'm going to have my height. So I'm going to take that. Then I will take this one as well. Ensure that I outline my doors. There. Then I can take my last bit, which is the wall, and also align with the SP. And take it down. So this way my wall will be starting. So I can outline up until this point, just like I did for the side. Then, since I know that my wall will be starting here, I'm going to take these 2 points, these orange points here to the VP to finish off the wall. So this one is already taken. Let's just take this one there. And then where it meets with my line for the wall, that's my height. So I can outline my line up until that point. And that means this piece will then go and join it. They should be in line. So you can see that our house is coming. Now for this window, we have to take all 4 points just like we did for this one. There. And then once we have taken them, we now need to take these 2 points to SP, then half. So remember, for this line, we're using the points that we projected from here. So that means we'll have a point there, as well as a point there on this corner. So you can immediately outline it. Then for this one, we are using the lines that we projected, which are D and D. There's a point, there's another point. And there it is. Then for the depth, you're going to bring that. So I forgot to do the depth of those 2 doors as well. We'll do them now. So bring it all the way to this piece here. And take it to the other side. Then join them like that. Same thing for the doors. These 2 pieces needs to be brought down. Down. Take it to the SP, that corner, this one. We have a point there that you will then join with that one. Same thing for this one here. This one straight is. Now take this piece to VP. Then you should have the depth of your doors. Then for the last bit of this drawing, we have to now draw the other roof. Now to finish off the roofs, just going to bring down my board down. So we're going for this middle one here. You can see that it's here, it's joined with this one. So you're going to align that with the SP, then bring that point down. And when you bring it down, you will see that it's in line with this point here. So with that, you need to now take it to your roof line, which is this one here. So as they are joined here, they have to be I mean, as they are joined there, they have to be joined as well there. So you have that, and then now we can also bring the back one to join with this line here. So align with the SP, take it straight down, and then project it to that line. So that projection, in that line, we will do it in construction first. So we just joined this one here, which is from here all the way to there in construction. So then we can now start drawing the other roof. We're going to get the wall here to the SP, then down. Then we will take this wall to the vanishing point to meet with that line. There, and then this one to meet with it here, and just outline up until that point. So it's basically this line from here here. So this is what I just did. I just projected this to the VP, then outlined. I know the project. I didn't show the projection line, but I can show it just for construction purposes. So I did just take this to there, then that point to there, then drew a line where they met. Then now we can continue with this roof here. So we're going to take this point in the middle to the SP. Straight down. And then it has to come and meet with this line here. So we're going to take this line to the vanishing point, and where does it meet? They meet right here. Then immediately you can join it. Like that. And then this one, you will take it using construction across like that. Then you have to bring this, align it with the SP, then straight down. So you can see that it's in line with this line. So when it comes down, we have, then that means we're going to have to join this corner here as it is joined to that point in the top view. Then complete the roof. And then now we can close off the back part of the roof. And this is how your roof looks like. If I forgot anything, I apologize, but let me just see something here. Yeah, I have to just show the depth, show the inside, the side there. And then other than that, I do not believe that I have forgotten anything. Just look at this line here. To draw it. Yeah, I think that's it. This is the complete drawing of page 139. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. I'll see you on the next one.